Hi, everybody. Warm welcome to another scintillating podcast of the Credit Card Life. We, as content creators, have outstanding 6,000 plus subscribers on YouTube channel, which you can always, any given time, check and review. And this, our podcast option, is a new one which we have thought of creating to help our viewers, especially people those who are not able to watch our videos and see things and catch up information. So, welcome back. Now, today in the content, I'm going to talk about every single aspect of booking a 5-star hotel under a brand called Taj Epicure Preferred Plus membership. Now, this is a simple principle which I think everybody should keep an eye on. And in the principle of how to book a hotel, I'm going to talk about every parameter. So this may take probably 15 to 18 minutes of your podcast, but then I'm going to cover every single area. The areas are how to book a 5-star hotel, how to avail a discount. Point number 3. Booking options to avoid so that you get maximum benefit and rewards. What are the room tariff, the rental tariff for each 5-star hotel under Taj Preferred Epicure membership? What are the discount under standard rate and membership rate, which you should be able to understand? And then we'll also talk about the complimentary stuff like the food rates. What are the rates which you're going to get via a la carte and so-called the complimentary buffet, lunch and breakfast, all those things. The concept of high tea, which you get in most of the 5-star hotels. Where do you get it? How do you get it? Can you take up one more extra? All those things I'm going to talk about these, and some of the hospitality metrics which a lot of people don't know about Taj. I'm really going to open up and talk about your birthday specials, your kid vacation special things, the upgrade part, the breakfast, the lunch and the buffet costing of Taj Epicure membership, and the beach pickup and drop aspect as well. So these are the common things we're going to talk about. We're also going to talk about happy hours, which a lot of our consumers love to choose, cherish, and it's a good one as well. But before we start all those things, I am quickly going to go ahead and talk about the difference between the Taj Epicure membership which you buy manually compared to the one which you get under the guidance of American Express Reserve Platinum credit card. So the basic difference between these two cards, one which you buy as a non-American Express member, is you pay flat cash and you get a complimentary night out in a particular hotel. Wherein in the Preferred Plus MX membership, what you're going to get is you're going to get primarily advantages with a set lunch. That's the only thing I feel you have a decent, but then you do not get an option like let's say for example a complimentary night stay and any other benefits. So that's the only thing I think you should keep an eye on. Let's move on to some of the benefits. We'll start one point at a time. Point number 1, how to book a Taj Epicure membership with this a hotel of 5-star beach properties. Now, I'm only going to talk about the properties where I've been to, right? So I'm referring to a property called Taj, Convention Resort, Goa. It's a beach hotel. If you Google it up, it's now named as Taj Horizon, newly posh, centrally air conditioned, and it's just situated on the beach itself. So you do not have to break a leg to go from one room to the beach. So it's very, very convenient. So if you are looking to book a hotel, the first thing first you got to keep in mind, you have to log in with Taj Epicure membership, get started, and there you have an option to choose your room rates under an option called standard rate and the member rates. Now the standard rates are the original rates which normally are available for non-members, wherein the members, those who are a part of Taj Epicure or Taj Inner Circle or let's say Tata Neo membership, they can be given a kind of a discount as well. So let's take an example. If the rate of Taj standard room is, let's say, kind of a deluxe room rate is 20k plus taxes, for member it may be around 17,500 plus taxes. All right, but then if you want to book the right way, then you must take an option of so-called booking and then canceling it. So let's say if you have a journey in the month of March, you can book in the month of January. Keep checking the same rate and keep checking the benefits, and always choose membership the rate with breakfast, because once you have a breakfast can be very sumptuous in a 5-star hotel compared to a lunch in a la carte, so that can be a costly affair. So always go for breakfast with the room, and that's the ultimate choice. So book it multiple times, cancel it multiple times, you will definitely be able to put that price of, let's say, 17.5 to probably 14,500 per night, or even 8,000 per night, which I kind of ended up ensuring when I had my family visit, right? So that is how you book. Never ever go through a concierge or American Express portal hotel, because they take a lot of points and all of your points will go for a toss. So that's a practical advice which I normally offer to people. Let's talk about the option called avail discount. Discount is something which can be availed with the help of membership, plus you also can avail the discount with the help of Taj MR points. Now let me give you a quick example of what exactly Taj MR points are. So let's take an example. If you have 100,000 MR points under category of your membership with American Express, you go to a collection called Platinum Travel Collection, or you go to a collection called Taj Platinum Reserve Collection. These are two options wherein you can redeem your points for 0.50 paise value. All right. So if you pay 100,000 points, you end up getting 50,000 cash vouchers of Taj India, which can be redeemable with any of the Taj hotels where Taj branding is mentioned. So please make a note of that. You would not be able to use those kind of coupons and vouchers with, let's say, tier 3, tier 4 hotels like Lemon Tree and all those things, Taj Vivanta. You may not be able to use all those features out there, but then the 5-star hotels, the one which I'm talking about, is pretty much accessible to all of you. Let's move towards the fourth part, that's room rental and upgrade. Now, room rental and upgrade is something which is primarily depends on you. You got to put in a request in advance with the team member of Taj Epicure Connect. Give her a call, tell them that I'm looking for a special occasion. I'm looking to celebrate my mom, dad, wife, and my daughter's birthday on XYZ blah blah date. I would like to have a beautiful chocolate cake, or my room should be decorated. All those things can be given in advance. Make a note on the Taj Epicure portal, and when you do that, they always remember those concepts, and you can always talk to them about it, right? So that's also one of the reasons how you need to fix the situation and move forward. Moving towards the most important part, which I genuinely love about my Taj Epicure membership, is food. Let me tell you something. Food is something which everybody loves. Everybody craves for midnight sweet, dessert, cocktail, mocktail, whatever it may be, right? I'm a foodie. I mean, for me, the concept of life is, eat as if there's no tomorrow. Okay, so if you're also one of those individuals who believe in food, lovely lunches and stuff, then this is the stage for you. So the common benefit you get when you become a part of Taj Epicure Preferred Plus membership is high tea concept. Now, high tea concept is normally a tea which you take at 4 o'clock, 4:50 in the hotel, and for that you won't be getting a room service. You have to go out to the balcony to a specific area where they have published a name. So every day it keeps on changing. You go there, you grab a couple of cookies, various type of cookies, and you enjoy a high tea. So whether you stay for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, high tea is something which is complimentary, and you can enjoy as much as you want. So do not miss that option out. If you ask me, my perception, I'm not a person who believes in freebies, so normally I'd like to have my a la carte, and I really enjoy that part. Now, moving towards the next option in food, which is normal buffet and a la carte value. So the breakfasts in most of the 5-star membership hotels are complimentary. You gotta keep in check. So always book your membership, and it will always come with a breakfast included. Now, breakfast has a specific time. It is a time, let's say, from morning 7:30 to 10:45 max, where you get a nice ambience, nice music, people talk to you, people greet to you, so you can enjoy juices, lunch. When I mean to say breakfast, lunch, not the real lunch, because real lunch is costly. Okay, so you enjoy all kind of North Indian, South Indian, the local delicacy of that particular region as well. And one of my recommendation for all of you is the breakfast is pretty sumptuous. It's amazingly good, and you would love it. So never ever compromise on your breakfast. You can compromise on the lunch, but you gotta eat your breakfast as if you are a king or a princess. So highly recommended in all of the Taj properties, because they give you amazing dosa, amazing Chinese, amazing Indian, so-called puri sabji and stuff like that. So you get everything curated as per your taste, right? So That's a must visit location. Moving towards the buffet. Now the buffet in the evening and afternoon hours are going to be different in terms of price tag as well. Morning hours you end up getting close to 1000 veggie and 14,000 plus 1400 plus taxes non-veg. Where in the night the lunches, the night dinner are going to be little expensive, probably 1600, 1800, 1900, depending on the kind of location you go to. So that's again, you need to choose and probably be a part of it. Now, one of the key points which people always have missed when they go for a la carte menu is they do not use the Taj Epicure Preferred Plus membership for 25% discount. Yes, you heard that right. So when you go for a lunch, whether you go 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, you have all the option to flash your card and get flat 25% redemption of on total bill. So please make sure to use that. In case if you're carrying a guest, you can always take a parcel for guests up to 10 people, and apart from that you have to pay a real deal and you won't be getting a discount. So that's one of the cases out here. Let's talk about the other important aspect, which is if you are on the beach property or if you have to travel from one place to another, airport pickup and drop. Now airport pickup and drop is something which you have to request, and they're going to be charges for that. So bigger the vehicle, better the price. That's what normally I've heard, right? When I say better, I mean it's a little expensive. So of course they're going to charge you 1800, 2000, all those charges are going to be there. So be careful on that before you order and take it up, because it's not complimentary. Talking about happy hours, and then you have spa. So spa is included, you have 25% off. Happy hours 1+1, I mean, you can have alcoholic, non-alcoholic, whatever you like it. So these are the basic tidbits you need to understand when you book a 5-star hotel. Trust me guys, once the membership of Taj Epicure comes under your bucket, going to a 5-star hotel is not a big deal, man. Everybody creates so much chaotic that you cannot go to 5-star, 7-star. You know what? It's peanuts now. It's not even a great deal to be a part of a Taj membership or a Marriott membership or a Hilton membership. Everything is as good as a lollipop candy. All right, I hope my knowledge, my expertise under this podcast is going to help you a lot. In case it does, give me a comment, subscribe me, follow up me on the Spotify, and please, for God's sake, help me grow, because I'm trying to become one of those known podcasters on YouTube and on Spotify, so that people can get a value of their time. Thank you so much for joining, and you all take care.